make some horsepower today. That's all
Time.
we do here.
It's time.
That's all we do is time. What's your guess? What's your guess?
I don't, whatever it is.
Andy told me your guess already.
Whatever happens today, I have to make more power. I came to watch some dyno and horsepower numbers, and I came in and you're working on a transmission. You can't take you nowhere, and they put you to work.
Yeah,
It happens.
it kind of just happened.
If
that's the case.
Recording Josh, he was putting in the transmission too.
Yeah, that's what I tried to tell
All
you.
of my videos on
That's all you're doing.
channel, I'm always with the transmission.
But always with the transmission. Try to Josh.
So we are back once again to watch Josh. You guys remember my buddy Josh, who we went to go help out that one night at HMP. He ended up having some issues that night. We're strapping it down to the dyno today to see what kind of numbers it can actually make. We're gonna see how much higher we have to run today. But yep. What happened?
It's letting off too early.
Oh.
It's scary as shit when you're on there, I know. It feels like forever. It feels like forever. It feels like forever and it's like 3 seconds. Yeah. That's how Andy's was.
Yeah, Andy was
Hey, I heard a rumor. Last time we were here and you dynoed the Andy's truck. I heard your foot was shook, bro. I heard it could not stop shaking.
It was.
Why were you so scared?
The pedal was hard, and it's so responsive. So when you tap it a little bit.
Yeah, you don't understand how he drives that thing. It's either on it all the time or off of it. It's
They get it up to 3,000 RPM. I'm barely getting it. It's like, wah, wah.
How you feeling so far?
I feel good.
Yeah?
Nerve-wracking.
Of course it is. It's worse out here, trust me on that. Josh asked me what I thought 1 degree would make a power difference. Yeah. And I told him my experience. Out of the whole launching a car, 1 degree made a huge difference.
Yeah, on here,
so from my experience, 1 degree is a lot of power.
yeah, well, if me and Caesar are on the same page and we're thinking what we're thinking, like 1 degree will probably pick up like 40 horsepower.
Let's find out. I think I've decided just from watching these that I want nothing to do with my car and the dyno. I'm just gonna hand Solomon the keys, and have someone driving and just be in my truck just waiting. So this is horrible. This is just plain horrible. I think I've decided that when I put mine on here, I want nothing to do with it.
It's pretty nerve-wracking.
Yeah, I'm just gonna hand y'all the keys. I'm gonna go sit in the truck.
Just let me know when
Let me know when it's over. I'll come back out. What boost level?
I was 20, almost 27.
How mean were you to it?
Not being that mean. It's not you.
What?
It's not you. Big boomer.
Now there's an issue with the car going on where it's actually dropping in boost once it starts climbing around the 68 RPM range. So right now they're checking the wastegate to make sure there's RPM, and then it would kind of dip down and struggle because the boost level would dip down and struggle. So they're trying to figure that out now.
Other than that, you okay? You're good to go?
Don't mind me, I'm just speaking.
No problem. We're gonna make another pull.
Okay.
Tell me to tell you.
Oh yeah, tell me.
30 pounds.
All right. That's it for now.
That's it for now.
Yep. What's next?
What's next? I don't know whose car's gonna be right now. Yours? Think so? Harry? Maybe Harry's?
Maybe yours?
I don't put mine on dyno.
Why?
I don't know. No.
Why not?
Track speed says everything.
Well, I want to see how much power it makes.
I'm low boost or what?
Huh?
I'm low boost or what?
No, we're gonna turn that bitch up. You're trying to blow it up, right? Blow it up here.
You get Richard to water racing. I'll strap it on dyno before I even go to the track.
They'll trap it to dyno and then head to the track right away?
Yeah.
Right after? Hot lap?
Beat him on 800.
Hot lap?
Beat him on 800.
1196 is what it ended up making in the last run there. If you want to follow Josh, I'll put his Instagram down below so you can give him a follow. Check out what he's doing. Hopefully I can get him to come out with us here pretty soon, the next event. Get him to lay some numbers down on the track with his Transam. But we're done for now. We're gonna get home and get to work.